What's up? Well, today in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing video of, well, something for a system, because as you guys know or don't know, I've been severely lacking on having a sound system. I have not had a sound system in my bedroom for like a long time. It's like not even there. And same thing with amps. But I got something coming to fix that. Now the amp came in today, so we're gonna unbox this amp and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So let's get into it. Okay, so got my knife here. Let's get this open. This packaging is very strange. Alright. Let's see. Oh. Yep. Check it out. Got ourselves an Orion XTR. Oh yeah, this is the XTR 2500, and if this amp does look familiar to you, this was the amplifier that did dyno 7K on whatchamacallit, on Big D Wiz's video. So, yep, that is what I got. And you'll see the subwoofer possibly tomorrow or on Wednesday. I have no idea, so. God dang, first off, this amp is heavy as holy shit. Oh, and it's coming out. I don't want to do that. Shit. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Here's the ratings. Cool. Let's see what we got. Alright, so let's see. Here's our burst sheet. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Almost 3K. 2,983 watts. Actual power. 12.6 volts. See, guys, the reason I actually did go with this particular type of amplifier is because Orion actually rates their amplifiers at 12 volts. They don't rate them at 16 or 14 volts. They rate them at 12 volts. This is good for if you're running like a 14 or 16 volt system and you're dropping to like maybe 12 or probably even 11, you're still going to be getting rated power out of this amplifier. So that's pretty good, especially, let's see, 12.6 and 2,900 watts. That's really good. Let's see. We got a manual, presuming like some mountain screws. Is this amp linkable? I have no idea if this amp's linkable, but it looks like we got a little Lincoln cable right here. Let's see, here's the bass knob, and it is plastic, and it does use that 3.5 millimeter jack. I don't know if I will be using this. I will probably to be testing it. So now it's time to get the mains out. So let's see. Oh my god. Yeah, this thing is heavy. Ah, dang, the amps are heavy. Okay. These amps are really heavy, actually. I don't know if this is a linkable amplifier. It's really thick, actually. It's not too skinny. It's actually pretty thick. That's what she said. So, alright. If I can show you guys here. If you guys have not watched the video, I'm going to kind of go through this. We got 0 gauge inputs, 4 gauge outputs, or speaker outputs. So that's pretty good. The amp is heavy as hell, that's for sure.